Welcome to the channel. Remember when Hyperliquid hype made that pivot last year completely change the game? Well, imagine catching that type of move again. This time, every trade pays founders and holders directly. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get to the video. All right, everyone. I have a new decentralized exchange for you. You've heard of Pancake Swap, Sushi Swap, all that type of stuff, but this is HelloDEX, so we're going to jump into it. It's a decentralized exchange like you've never seen before. So this is HelloDEX with its own native token, Hello, and it's making a pivot similar to Hype, and even like BNB when you heard of it in the early days. And we can see the various change here, and every trade redistributes fees. You get 50 to 80%. Flows to founders, and 30 to 45 goes to stakers. You can go ahead and change the different networks here. And what that ultimately means is builders get recurring income and holders get real rewards, not inflationary emissions. And that's something to really take a look at, is saying, why would I use this DEX over other DEXs? Aren't there other DEXs? Yes, but the rewards that you get are really, really exciting, especially if you're a holder. And you can go ahead and connect all your favorite wallets here. Get a Web3 wallet, whether it's Trust, MetaMask, Phantom, Stargazer, they all work. You can see how to get a wallet, how to do that. And then you simply can go ahead and select the different tokens and swap the pair. So very, very cool, simple interface. And this is the first DEX that turns trading into a funding mechanism for founders. Literally anyone can launch a pool. You can set fees and you can earn instantly. We can see all the different pools here. Also, you can create a self-funded growth loop for different projects. And every trade will trigger token burns. And as that does that, it reduces supply. We'll also see the different tokens here. And as I talked about before, holders will benefit through the Hello Club and multipliers and boost yields from the fee distribution. So what this does is this builds a burn and earn cycle where volume equals long-term value. And we also have the ecosystem as well. It's a whole ecosystem. Projects get visibility via Hello. Media, shows like Killer Whales, Apple TV, Amazon Prime, all the cool stuff that you really like. So you're probably wondering, well, I have this token idea, but how would anybody know about it? Well, there's awesome stuff. You get the HelloDEX that ties into Hello Protocol, the club, you get quests, launchpads, predictions, markets. You get on a big show. Imagine a show for your favorite type of things. So projects like this via getting media, shows like Killer Whales, Apple TV, that reach 600 million households, maybe even more. And it's absolutely awesome. So trading, social media, that creates a flywheel for adoption. If you missed the Hyperliquid pivot, guys, don't miss this one. Hello is building a deflationary revenue sharing DEX with global media exposure trade, where trade moves both fuel, founders, and holders. And it's all there. And you can go ahead, create your account. You can see the top performers here. Absolutely awesome. This is also, as we saw, multi-chain ready. So we can see when we come back here to the DEX, there is multi-chain readiness. So you can do whatever network you want for BSC, Ethereum, and Base. Just to get an example, you're probably wondering, like, how exactly would this work number-wise? If you did 100K daily volume with a 1% fee, and you get 15K a month recurring founder income. So it's not just another token. It's not just another decentralized exchange. It's the backbone of a protocol with real growth drivers. And you can follow all their social medias here. So you can see Hello Labs. This is gaining big name. Look at this. Over 81,000 followers. You got the Hello Club, you got the spaces, and this is blowing up. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.